solace in the winter solstice, while hermit hearts reopened, for love knocked on the summer equinox.
Assembling our chakras to form a monsoon, consumed by the diluted fallacy portrayed on our horizon. The stars on our veins correspond, vessels of eternal love on terrestrial grounds. Behold, tornadoes and hurricanes, drawing images of the epiphany we yet to see, from the blue ocean to the formidable ground, even all the way up to the engulfing sky. The cosmos loves our union. We are a confusing, not yet prophesied prophecy, the unveiling of bright dawn on blind eyes, flights on broken wings, a journey of 1,000 miles on crippled knees, an antidote to uncertainty and insecurity, our love, our Elysium, our ecstasy. Even Apollo never saw us coming to being. We are blessed with Gaia's genes. I'm still seeing you in my visions, my love. Even though you don't exist in this time zone as yet, I send shooting stars to come and fetch you. They are coming. The moon and sun are going to escort us to our divinely modified destiny. We are blessed with Gaia's genes.